Welcome back. BJP MLAs in Goa are gearing up to make the Statue of Unity in Gujarat a success. Farmers are collecting iron and sand needed for building the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat. This is an initiative of BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi.
दक्षिण गोंयच्या सगळ्या पंचायतींनी हाडलेले लोह म्हणजेच शेतां भितर जे अवजारां शेत कसप्यांनी किंवा नांगरणीचे हातूंत भितर पावडो कुदळ कोयती विळो अशी जी अवजारां आसात शेतीची अवजारां आसात तांचे जे हे वापरिल्ले हे लोखंड आसा ते आयज संकलन करतले. त्याच बरोबर प्रत्येक पंचायतींतल्यान एक माती जाणे करून ह्या आमच्या शेतकऱ्यांच्या अवजारांतल्यान हो पुतळो बांदणी जातलो. ह्या पुतळ्या भितर प्रत्येक पंचायतींतले प्रत्येक शेतकऱ्याचे एक अंश तरी त्या पुतळ्या भितर आसचो, कारण सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल वो शेतकरी कुटुंबांतल्यान जन्मा येवन शेतकऱ्यां खातीर किसानां खातीर खूब मोठे ताणें कार्य योगदान दिल्लें आसा, भारतीय स्वातंत्र्या खातीर योगदान दिल्लें आसा. आनी ह्या युगपुरुषाचो जो पुतळो जाता त्या पुतळ्याच्या चबुतऱ्या कडेन आमच्या प्रत्येक ग्रामपंचायतली चिमूटभर माती आसची. ह्या पुतळ्याच्या लोहा भितर वो पुरुषाचो लोह पुतळो आसा तातूंत भितर शेतकऱ्याचे एक अवजार मिसळले वचचे आनी तातूंतल्यान एक एकात्मतेची भावना संपूर्ण देशा भितर जावची म्हणून आयज ही दक्षिण गोंयांतली मिटींग आसा.
The players' auction for the 7th edition of Indian Premier League will be held on 12th February in Bangalore. For the first time in IPL history, uncapped players will go under the hammer with a minimum base price of 10 lakh rupees. Goan cricketers will be licking their lips at the prospect of getting into the lucrative IPL franchises. Here are some of the state cricketers who have excelled at the Ranji Trophy this season and could be the top picks for IPL from Goa.
Topping the list will be off-spinning all-rounder Amit Yadav. The 24-year-old cricketer has performed magnificently in the Ranji Trophy campaign this season, having missed the last season due to a BCCI ban. He picked up a whopping 37 wickets and scored 195 useful runs in 7 matches for Goa. The former Kings 11 Punjab player is most likely to attract the attention of big franchises at the auction. Experienced IPL campaigner Shadab Jakadi produced another consistent season in the Ranji Trophy circuit, both with the bat and ball in the 2013-14 tournament. The former Chennai Super Kings spinner is likely to be a regular feature in the IPL 7 as well. Youngster Amok Desai has been impressive with the bat this season, scoring 628 runs in 8 matches. The 20-year-old is also an useful off-spinner and can be considered as one of the most promising young cricketers in the pool of uncapped players. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.